Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
We've all struggled with dull knives that make cooking feel like a chore. Enter the Cook knife set, crafted from premium stainless steel with a razor-sharp edge and long-lasting ceramic coating. Designed with ergonomic handles for comfort, it turns food prep into sheer delight. Elevate your kitchen today. Discover precision, style, and effortless slicing at its finest. Order now.
Product 2.
Switching between pouring and spraying is now effortless with the 2-in-1 glass oil sprayer and dispenser. Keeping your calorie intake in check was never this easy, delivering precise portions every time. Made from sturdy glass with a dark green body, it's ideal for olive oil, vinegar, and soy sauce. Ergonomic and portable, it fits perfectly in every cooking scenario.
Product 3.
I used to miss those sunny BBQ days, but dragging out that big ol' outdoor grill felt like a chore. Then I found the Hamilton Beach electric searing grill. It gives me all those delicious flavors right in my kitchen, no propane needed. Searing at 450, perfect steaks, every single time. Plus, cleanup is just toss it in the dishwasher easy. Honestly, it's changed my grilling game. Grab yours and kickstart your indoor feasting.
Product 4.
Struggling to fit a versatile cooking tool into a compact kitchen? The Presto 6006 Kitchen Kettle Multi-Cooker is your answer. It deep fries, boils, and steams with ease. Its ceramic non-stick surface simplifies cleaning, and its swift heating saves time. Ideal for anyone who values efficiency without compromising on health or flavor.
Cooking for the family just got simpler? Our Dash Deluxe Everyday Electric Griddle offers a spacious 20x 10.5 nonstick surface, ideal for preparing pancakes, burgers, and more with ease. Eliminate cleanup stress with dishwasher-safe parts and enjoy consistent, even cooking every time. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Swipe up to order the perfect gift for any cooking enthusiast today.
Product 6.
I used to spend hours juggling multiple appliances, a grill, oven, and air fryer. Then I tried the George Foreman Beyond Grill 7-in-1. It cooks 65% faster, sears perfectly, and requires zero defrosting. Now, it's my go-to for quick, healthy meals. Imagine your favorite dishes, grilled to perfection with minimal fuss. Try it today and revolutionize your cooking.